You're doing really great. Let's put the refuel. Try it on your own. Done! Let's fertilize the soil to grow corn. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Ready.